Excel has two main power keys, the Shift key and the Control key. Enter the word total in cell A9 and AutoSum column B. In this case, we wish to copy the formula across to the relative cells. The easiest way to do this is select the cell, for example in this case B9, copy, place the cursor where you want to start, hold down the Shift key and use your arrow keys to highlight the range. This is the easiest way of doing it. And then paste. If you want to do discontinuous cells, for example if we wanted to bold A2, A3 and A9, we have to use the Control key. Select the various cells holding down the Control key and apply the various attribute or font that you wish. So the two main keys are, for continuous you use the Shift key, and for discontinuous you use the Control key.